I'm Junior. I'm studying at College Community Beaufort. Today I want to show you some tutorial on how to clean the air conditioner filter by 3 steps. By first, you remove the air conditioner filter, cleaning the filter and carrying on how to clean the air conditioner filter. However, I will tell you and explain for you later. And now I will focus on tell you step by step by first step. If you want to remove the air conditioner filter, you have to make sure it's off, because it can cause an aircon evaporator for coils. Alright, now the aircon is off, and then we wait for a little minute to remove the air conditioner filter. Alright, wait. And right now, we remove this air conditioner filter and cleaning it. Alright. Right now, and after we removing it, the air conditioner filter, we have to check it first whether it's got some dirty or anything on how to clean it. And when we get it, it's like pretty dirty, right? And now we have to bring it to move it to the toilet and wash it, or anywhere else. Right now we show it how to clean this. Like rinse the water at the air conditioner filter. To removing the germ. And we rinse the air conditioner filter with water to remove the dirt from it. Okay, after a few hours of it, we show it. We check it on whether it's really clean or not, whether the dirt are removed or not. Right now, we check whether the air conditioner filter still has dirt on it or not. It looks like it haven't fully removed yet. It still had some of it. Okay, right now we use the most effective way that we pour it on the air conditioner filter into the water clearly. Alright, now we pour this air conditioner filter with some dirty left inside this water. Alright, let's put more on the head. After we pour the air conditioner filter inside the water for a few minutes, right now we put it out. Okay, and then to make sure it's clean, we put it on the cup and then we check it whether it's really clean or not. Alright, let's check it. Alright, right now, let's check it. It's clean, right? It's already clean. It looks like it's fully clean already. And right now, after we clean it, we are about to put it back at the aircon and check it whether it's really getting cool or not. Now, before you want to put it back, access the filter again to the aircon, and then you have to make sure it's really dry yet. Right now it's wet, and let's put it on the floor and let it dry for a while. Hello, welcome. And right now the air conditioner filter is finally dry up and be able to use it and put it on back again. Oh, and one thing for sure, before if you want to clean the air conditioner filter, you have to check it out and check it out for amount time whether the air conditioner can be cleaned or not. Some of it can be cleaned and some of it cannot be cleaned or just wait to be disposed. Some of it need to clean every 2 weeks and some of it need to clean every 30 days. Okay, right now let's go to assist the air conditioner filter to the back. And right now let's do it. And alright, right now it's done. It's done to suspect again the filter at all. And right now we close it and we check whether the aircon is getting better or not. Alright, let's see it and check it. That's it. Check it out, it's okay or not whether. No, it looks like the aircon is getting cool, getting better. Right, and then now the aircon is getting better from before, and now it's finished. And I want to say thank you for watching my video, and bye. That's all I want to say.